Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change height and weight of the player in Madden 27. It's pretty easy. All I have to do, just go to Creation Center and select the option Edit Rosters. Right here, we gotta select Manage Players, and simply by holding L2, you have to select the team where your player is, whose height you would like to change. Mine one is quarterback, and this is the player whose height and weight I wanna change. Then select the option Edit Player. Then here we gotta go to the option Appearance, select the option Physics, and just right here you have the option to change the height and weight of the player. You can also change the body type, but yeah, it is up to you. To save the changes, just hit the back button, select the option Save Changes, and just like that you'll be able to change height and weight of your player in Madden 27. For some reason, if you want to change height and weight of your player in superstar mode, then there is no way available for you in that situation. Like, you will only able to get that option when you're creating your player. After that, you won't be able to change height and weight of your player in superstar mode. But yeah, that's all there is to it. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.